this city, don't speak too loud. Every smile hides a blade somehow. Holy words fall from burning towers, while innocent necks bow under sacred power. They preach light, but worship fear. They quote heaven while hell lives here. Don't say the streets are stained with blood. They'll call it faith, they'll call it love. The saints wear masks, the devils pray, and truth gets lynched in broad daylight. A question here is a dangerous thing. One whisper too sharp can bury a kid. They scream believer, they scream traitor, until nobody remembers the difference anymore. They scream believer, they scream traitor, until nobody remembers the difference anymore. Girls disappear behind family honor, bodies burned beneath holy slogans. Crowds record the fire like a concert, while silence uploads another martyr. And somewhere in the smoke, a child still asks, wasn't God supposed to be merciful? But mercy died years ago in the city of blasphemy. Church walls blackened, books thrown into flames, graves renamed, and history edited for shame. They erased the word Muslim from a dead man's stone, as if God needed help recognizing his